Hi, this is Kathy Ketching, Angel Intuitive and author of Angel Talk, a true story of my miracle of healing. As an Angel Intuitive, I channel information from the divine world that my clients need to know. Here lately, my angels have been leaving sounds and words on my recorded sessions for others to hear. During a recent reading, I was discussing repetitive numbers with my client. On this recording, you can clearly hear a female voice say 9. Just after that, my client stated that she has been seeing the time 3:33 quite a bit lately. Well, this adds up to 9. Here, I'll play it for you. Didn't quite catch it? I'll play it one more time. Well, this is Kathy Ketching, and you will be hearing more from me in the future.